All right, as you can see, I got my computer today, and I purchased a new hard drive, SSD, that I want to upgrade or add, because I already have storage in here. I have another slot that I would like to use specifically for certain types of files. So I would like to have all my assets on one hard drive and all the programs and whatnot running on the main hard drive, if that makes sense. So that's the goal with this. It is a 2 terabyte hard drive with 7,200 megabytes read-write speed. Well, the writing is 6,200 and the read is 7,200. So I'm not too sure if Acer makes good hard drives. I know that usually I go for like Kingston, or the one that I have in here, I think is a Team Group, right? And then I also like Crucial. But I've never had Acer, so this will be the first time I try it. It's an M.2, so let's just jump right into it. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the process, if you will. So you just gotta unscrew this real quick here. All right, make sure we don't lose. Unscrew. Let's take that, put that to the side. My GPU is over my hard drive space, right? GPU is right here. My hard drive is literally under this little shielding. So yeah, let's do that. Bam. This should do the job. Bam. That got him done. All right, so we take this. Oh, there's one more screw right here. I didn't even see that. So you got to take this plate off. Once the plate is off, we could now, there's a little thing right here, right in between, there's a latch. I'm just gonna poke that. Boom, once I hear that click, I know that it just released my GPU from being locked down, and then I could just pull up. And now it's out. So we got the GPU out. Let's place that there. Now this right here is where the hard drive is gonna go. So we just gotta unscrew it like so. I don't know if these screws come out though, I don't remember. Or if they're just stuck in place with that shield. We're about to find out. Can I pull it up? Up, I could pull it up. All right, so we pull it up. There's gonna be some kind of like pasting, right? You see that blue? That's like some kind of thermal resistant thing, right? There's another one here. I'm gonna lift up the sticker so that it could actually, you know, I'm gonna use both hard drives. So here I got a Team Group MP44L. It's a little bit slower than this Acer one. I was actually gonna buy this one again, but it was sold out because I like to have the same parts. So everything just, I know it just works together well. Yeah, it was sold out. So I got this, it was around the same price, and it's stated, it's advertised as faster. And it also uses the same cache method. So I thought, you know, why not try it? It's like something stopping it from going in. It worked in the first slot. Boom, we got him. We got him in the second slot. It's in the second slot. Let's put our first hard drive back in. Let's put our main hard drive back in. That was so hard to get that first. I don't know why that was so tough. Like this one slides in really easily. The other one, it had to legitimately click in. That was different. All right, we're locked in, we're loaded. I want to take this blue joint off. Take that blue joint off. Now both of them are gonna have that heat sink. Then you just gotta line up the screws again, and you good to go. Let's screw this side down. I'm gonna do them in equal parts so that one side's not lopsided and can't actually come back. Okay, so now it's time to grab the GPU, right? We already have this set up. It's time to grab the GPU, put it back in place, and then that's it, we're done. So all you gotta do is line it back up. You know what I'm saying? Just line the gold tips back up with the split, and then you're good to go. All right, so let's just move that over here. I think that's lined up. That looks like it just slid in. I think we're good here. Let's screw it in its place right here on the frame so it doesn't go anywhere. It's locked down, nice and tight. Yeah. Then you could plug it up. Has to be replugged, right? Otherwise it won't work. Bang, we plug it up. Don't forget about this. This was the little casing right near your GPU. All right, that's plugged up nice. You could also, if you have a duster, like one of those gas cans with the air inside, the compressed air, you might want to do that. Make sure there's no dust particles in here before you reclose your case. But yeah, reclose the case. Go back into your go back onto your computer. Turn your computer back on and just format. And that's about it. All right, that is how you add more storage to your PC or upgrade your storage if you wanted to replace a hard drive. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you when I catch you. Peace.